Welcome to our channel Meg Beauty.
In this video, we'll show you how to apply eye makeup depending on the shape of your eyes. All eyes will be on you. There's no doubt that every woman is beautiful and unique the way nature created her. Makeup can make a woman even more charming just as easily as it can spoil everything. But these little makeup tricks can help you emphasize your in this round eyes. If your eyes are widely open but you still can see the white under the iris, then you have round-shaped eyes. This means that while applying eye makeup, your main goal is to make them more almond-shaped. Here's how to do this. Start by applying foundation on the upper eyelid. It can be either face powder or natural eyeshadow. Then visually change the shape of your eyes by applying some dark eyeshadow on the outer side of the moving eyelid. Draw a line with the eye pencil along your lash line to emphasize the round shape of your eyes. It's better not to draw a line from the inner corner of the eye. Start from the middle of the moving eyelid and move to the outer corner, finishing with a small wing. Narrow eyes. You have a narrow eye shape if the upper eyelid almost overlaps the lashes and the moving part of the eyelid is hidden. Your goal when applying makeup is to make your eyes more deep, emphasizing their exotic shape and natural beauty. Apply foundation on the upper eyelid. It can be a simple face powder or natural eyeshadow. Considering the eye shape, you can draw an eye pencil line at some distance from the lash line, and carefully smudge it. Draw the line on your upper eyelid along the lash line. Then line only the outer 1/3 of your lower eyelid. It's important to not forget to draw a line on the inner side of your upper eyelid. Use mascara with super volume effect. Avoid mascara with the effect of long lashes, it will make your eyes look even thinner. Apply it on both the upper and lower lash line. You may apply light base. Almond eyes. Almond eyes are elongated and rounded to the nose bridge with sharp outer corners. This eye shape is the easiest for applying makeup because most of it looks good with almond eyes. Evening makeup will look perfect in dark colors, such as smoky eyes, and everyday makeup looks good in light shades. Apply foundation on the upper eyelid. You can use a simple face powder or natural eyeshadow. Apply beige eyeshadow on the upper eyelid towards your eyebrow. Apply midtone eyeshadow, ochre, gold, terracotta, on the moving eyelid. Highlight the upper eyelid crease with a dark line. Carefully smudge it. Draw wings just above the outer corners of the eyes using an eye pencil. To add more expressiveness to your eyes, use dark black mascara. Focus on external lashes, it will emphasize almond eyes. Downturned eyes. If the outer corners of your eyes are slightly lowered, sometimes you can look sad or tired. Your task is to make the look more lively and cheerful. You just need to raise a bit the upper edge of the eye and draw proper wings. Apply foundation on the upper eyelid. Use a powder or natural eyeshadow. Outline the upper eyelid, drawing a clear line along the lash line. The line should be thin and look natural, right at the lash line. Only then you can get a fresh look effect. Carefully apply more intense color on the outer part of the eyelid, then smudge it diagonally up to the outer edge of the eye. Draw a small wing along the eyeshadow line. Apply concealer on the lower eyelid next to the outer corner of the eye. Use mascara only on the middle and inner lashes, don't apply it on the outer part. Do the same on the lower lash line. Girls with lowered edges of the eyes shouldn't use the banana makeup technique.
Thanks for watching.